Hello everyone, my name is Hajra, and in today's video I bring to you the 15 most commonly used boring words in English language. Replace this boring English word with cool ones. These words will make you sound fancy and fashionable. These words are close alternatives but not dictionary meaning. Busy, occupied. Happy, euphoric. Sad, disheartened. Small, compact. Big, enormous. Angry, furious. Funny, hilarious. Lazy, lethargic. Tired. Fatigue, exhausted. Bad, awful. Exciting, thrilling. Calm, serene. Saw, notice. What another word will you use for week? Please comment and let us know. Replace these boring words and use better version of them to sound more fluent. Like and subscribe my channel.